In this video, I will break down 10 best vacuum cleaners of 2025. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Best Overall. The Dyson V15 Detect remains one of the most advanced and powerful cordless stick vacuums available. It features laser dust detection, which helps reveal invisible dust particles on hard floors, ensuring you don't miss any dirt. Equipped with a 125,000 RPM hyperdamium motor, the Dyson V15 delivers incredible suction power, making it effective on carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles. The intelligent piezo sensor automatically adjusts suction power based on the amount of dust detected, optimizing cleaning performance while preserving battery life. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, a HEPA filtration system that captures 99.99% of allergens, and an anti-tangle brush roll, the Dyson V15 Detect is the ultimate cleaning machine. However, its premium price may be a drawback for some users. Number 2. Simplicity S20 EZM Best Bagged Upright Vacuum. If you prefer a traditional bagged upright vacuum, the Simplicity S20 EZM is a great choice. It features a HEPA media bag, which effectively traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, making it perfect for allergy sufferers. This model offers strong suction power, an extra long 30-foot power cord, and a multi-floor brush system that works on both carpets and hard floors. Since it uses replaceable bags, you won't have to worry about frequent filter cleanings, unlike many bagless models. While the Simplicity S20 EZM lacks smart features, its simple yet powerful design ensures reliable cleaning with minimal maintenance. Number 3. Shark Stratos IZ862H Best Cordless Vacuum. The Shark Stratos IZ862H is a high-performance, cordless vacuum with dual clean power fins technology, which ensures better dirt pickup on carpets and hard floors. Its self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair wrap, making it a great option for pet owners. With a long battery life of up to 50 minutes, multi-surface adaptability, and a lightweight design, this vacuum offers excellent portability and maneuverability. However, its dustbin capacity is smaller, requiring frequent emptying in larger households. Number 4. Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Best Lightweight Upright Vacuum. For those looking for a lightweight yet powerful upright vacuum, the Hoover ONEPWR Evolve is a fantastic choice. Weighing only 8.6 pounds, it is easy to carry and maneuver, making cleaning less tiring. The Hoover ONEPWR Evolve is cordless, providing hassle-free movement and eliminating the need for frequent plugging and unplugging. It also has an extra large dustbin, reducing the need for frequent emptying. While it's great for quick and efficient cleaning, it may not be the best option for deep pile carpets. Additionally, its battery life is shorter compared to other high-end models. Number 5. Tineco Pure 1S11 Best Smart Vacuum. If you want a vacuum with smart features, the Tineco Pure 1S11 is a top choice. This Wi-Fi-enabled stick vacuum features iLoop smart sensor technology, which automatically adjusts suction power based on dust levels. The Tineco app allows users to monitor cleaning progress, battery levels, and maintenance reminders. It offers up to 40 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for medium-sized homes. While it's a great option for tech enthusiasts, it may not have the same raw suction power as Dyson models. The dustbin is also smaller, so frequent emptying is required. Number 6. Miele Complete C3 Best Canister Vacuum. For those who prefer a canister vacuum, the Miele Complete C3 is one of the best choices. It offers incredible suction power, an electro brush for deep carpet cleaning, and a sealed HEPA filtration system to trap allergens. The C3 model is highly durable, built to last for years, and includes multiple attachments for various cleaning tasks. It works exceptionally well on both hard floors and carpets. While the Miele Complete C3 delivers outstanding performance, it is more expensive than other canister vacuums, and its corded design limits mobility compared to cordless options. Number 7. Samsung Jet 90 Best for Pet Hair. Pet owners will love the Samsung Jet 90, which is designed to tackle pet hair, dander, and debris with ease. Its turbo action brush ensures deep cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. The Samsung Jet 90 features powerful suction, long battery life, and a multi-layer filtration system that captures allergens. The charging stand allows for convenient storage and easy battery swaps. One downside is that the Jet 90 is heavier compared to some stick vacuums, and its dustbin requires frequent emptying. However, its strong performance on pet hair makes it worth considering. Number 8. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra Best Robot Vacuum. If you prefer a hands-free cleaning solution, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is one of the most advanced robot vacuums available in 2025. It features LiDAR navigation, automatic dirt disposal, and a self-cleaning mopping system. With AI-powered obstacle avoidance, the S8 Pro Ultra efficiently navigates around furniture and objects, ensuring thorough cleaning. The dual brush system enhances its performance on carpets and hard floors. While it is expensive, the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra offers true automation, making it perfect for those who want a completely hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 9. Bissell CrossWave X7, best for multi-surface cleaning. The Bissell CrossWave X7 is an all-in-one vacuum and mop perfect for homes with mixed flooring. It can vacuum and wash floors simultaneously, making it an excellent choice for those who want efficient cleaning. With a high-performance motor and tangle-free brush roll, it effectively picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair. The separate clean and dirty water tanks ensure hygienic mopping. However, it may not be as powerful on carpets, making it better suited for homes with hard floors or area rugs. Number 10. Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid Best Budget Robot Vacuum. For those looking for an affordable robot vacuum, the Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid delivers excellent performance at a reasonable price. It features twin turbine suction technology, AI-powered mapping, and a mop function for versatile cleaning. While it lacks some of the premium features of high-end models like the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, it still provides strong cleaning power and smart navigation at a lower price point. The best vacuum cleaner for you will depend on your cleaning needs. The Dyson V15 Detect remains the best overall option, while the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is perfect for fully automated cleaning. Pet owners will love the Samsung Jet 90, and those needing multi-surface cleaning should consider the Bissell CrossWave X7 XXXXX. With the right vacuum, keeping your home clean in 2025 has never been easier. Whether you need strong suction, smart features, or a lightweight design, there's a perfect vacuum for every home. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.